if you're fighting, you have nothing to lose. I know. Just go with it. Okay. What's up? I'm back. Today's video, I guess, is the beginning of Vlogmas. I guess, you know, I'm not really a Christmas gal. I'm not. I actually hate the holidays, but I like the concept of Vlogmas, and I have a lot of time on my hands now. So, that being said, what's up? Okay, so this is a little bit of a milestone on my little channel, y'all, because now this is actually my first sponsored video. Yeah, today's sponsorship is from Yolova hair. They were kind enough to send me a unit to show y'all, right? So that's really exciting. So I got a, here, I've already customized it and cut the lace because I want to try it out before I even showed y'all. I need to probably cut upon a wig because I ain't never put no wigs on like this before. But they sent me a 22-inch frontal wig. I went ahead and like plucked it, and I also dyed it jet black. So I went ahead and like plucked the wig and cut the lace, and I also dyed it jet black because that was kind of like I was going for now. So we're gonna be installing this on my head, chatting, throwing in some little bit of makeup, a little bit of outfit, and fragrance. So right off the bat, like as soon as I took it out the box, it was a little bit thin for my liking. I'm used to a lot thicker wigs, but you know, I think thin is low-key in because I want to look as natural as possible. So this was kind of perfect. So my oh, I think I have a discount code too. Okay, don't mind me messing with the joint, but they actually gave your girl a discount code. So if you want to get some money off of this wig right here, just put what Adaora in the text box and it'll take money off. That's really crazy. Your girl has a discount code. Okay, let me start putting this joint on, okay? Yeah. Disregard the fact that my hair is looking crazy. These rows are very, very old, maybe like a month or two. Don't come for me. I do not wash my hair every month. If you're a naturalista coming on my page, stop. Stop, girl, because nobody has time for that, okay? So at first, when I first applied this wig, I did the ball cap method, but that's just a lot going on for me, like for right now and all that good stuff. Like I just can't do that. I'm not at that level of hair yet, right? So we have my wig cap on. Ooh, I need to get rubbing alcohol, hold on. So I have my rubbing alcohol here, my paper towel. I'm just gonna put some on here like so, just to rub the front of the joint, front of my hair, to make sure it's clean and free of any nonsense, because we want this joint to stick. Okay, that was good. Oh, I forgot the most important thing, Carmex, hold on. Okay, I don't know if y'all know this, but I literally cannot survive this world without Carmex on my lips. And I like to put it on all the outside like so. Oh, yeah. All right, so the glue I'm gonna be using is the Ghost Bond extra moisture control. I'm gonna put that on that perimeter of my hair, but not touching my edges because I actually like those. So yeah, I'm gonna take this edge brush. It's kind of old. This one kind of old. So I'm gonna take this edge brush and just put a little holy hole through it. Okay. All right. Let's see. I have to be careful with my sideburns. I got sideburns, but You know, I low-key should have put the wig on first, right? Yeah, I think so, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, yeah, I definitely should have put the wig on first and then did this. That shows how this is going. Okay. All right. Also, can we get into the fact that I cornrowed my own hair for this? Like, if y'all know, I cannot do hair for the life of me or cornrow for anything, but I did that myself. It's just one day the fingers and the mechanisms were just, no, that was lit. Okay. I'm sorry, I have like 15 hot tools here and everything either keeps falling. Yeah, everything just, no, it just keeps falling. It literally keeps falling. It is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Okay, let me pull this up a little bit because I want to put a hot comb to this joint. Right, to pull like all the hair back. Okay, yeah, it's doing hot. Okay. Okay, like pull like, I want to pull like even the baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, a little brush. Okay. Okay, get the hot comb out. And we're just gonna do something like, what is that? Is that glue? Is that you, glue? It sure is you, glue. Hey, glue. Hold on. Okay, better. Okay. Dang, yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, I want to push the baby hairs back because I hate when like the hairs get stuck. Not me about to pull out a knot. That's embarrassing. Is it a knot or is it glue? No, man, that was a knot. That was a knot. I feel like I always end up getting stuff like that in my wigs anyway, so I'm not even mad. Oh, look. It's just in the hot comb. Okay, so we're experiencing a little bit of shedding. It's alright. Like, let's be real. People hair shed, wig hair sheds. It's, you know, whatever. You know what? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that side's kind of like pressed back, like through this side. Ow, my arms hurt. Wow. I'm sorry. Why is there so much hair falling out? That's interesting. I'm sorry. Like what? Okay. Hopefully that was the last of it, cause baby. Babes, honey babes. I just got the, well, I didn't just get this hair, but like I got it in like a month ago, but I did not start wearing it until literally last week. Literally last week. You know what my next question for this joint is? How does one preserve this type of hair? Like, cause you know, I have a feeling this glue finna be on. Ooh, keep touching it, okay. Gonna, ooh, bring this bad boy forward. Okay, ooh, where my tool at? Oh, it's on the floor, okay, so, yo. That's how we're gonna start it off. That's how, this is how we set it off. Okay. Not me feeling like it's sliding. Okay, hold on. Gotta push this a little bit here. Yeah, okay. Push that there. Then gonna push this one a little bit forward like this. Then we're gonna have homie over here. Wow, this is hilarious, okay? I'm just trying to get everything like kind of in place so that I can, you know, do the rest of the works, you know what I mean? Now I have this elastic band. I literally got it from the beauty supply store. And that is what low-key be making the difference between like laid hair and like not laid hair. Like the elastic band needs to be on and tight. Most little girls, they be having wow. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to take a little bit of alcohol and like rub the front, and then maybe fix the places that are gonna need help. Cause I can already tell you, girl, there are some places that are gonna need some help, okay? We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Like, I need this joint to like, oh, this joint is stuck to my forehead. Okay, yeah, so this is when, okay, now I'm gonna sit here and get this hot comb again and really press this part, you know? Dang, I feel like my hands are so sticky. This stuff never goes in. It doesn't leave. I'm not gonna lie to you. I prefer this to Got to Be Free spray, because this doesn't make like the hair or the lace hard. It just like, it's just sticky, you know what I mean? You could rub it off your fingers if you rub like hard enough, but Got to Be just makes the joint hard. I cannot stand that. I cannot stand that. I genuinely cannot stand it. Wow, it's about to look like Scalpiana, because look already. You see the Scalpiana? Well, that's the best my hair will ever look, so shoot. Okay, see, now my science brain is trying to figure out why this thing is shedding. Is it shedding because I dyed it? Like, I didn't like, I dyed it like jet black. I didn't bleach it, you know what I mean? Oh, by the way, this is a nutrient slick stick. I just do it from the top just to really press the top part down, since I'm deciding to wear this joint straight, so. You see the difference? You see what's going on here? You see what we're trying to achieve? Okay. And see, that's the thing about this camera. It just likes to overheat and shut off. Stop doing that. All right, so my flat iron is finally hot, and then I also picked out my outfit. And granted, this is the outfit. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere, girl. I'm just doing this for this video. But if I were to go somewhere, that's the outfit I would personally wear, okay? To sound like a terrible person. Oh, by the way, my hair, straight honey. Okay. Before I take this off and see what's going on, I don't mean to sound like a terrible person, but there is something in my spirit that just really doesn't sit well with me when I see women fighting. I think that is one of the most trifling things like a girl can do. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Fighting with your fists? To me, if you're fighting, you have nothing to lose, right? Which means you have nothing going for yourself. And also, that just gives off to me weak-minded, that you let someone else's opinion like hurt you or make you feel away so damn bad. Like, huh? So I don't really know what it's looking like under this wig, under this lace, okay? Just don't judge me too hard. This joint feel like it's, okay. Okay, that's what we got going. That's what we got. Okay. I feel like, honestly, you know what, I'm gonna just keep getting better at this. It's coming together, you know? You know what it's trying. She's trying her best. Okay, so, it's funny because I was actually gonna sit down and glue this side, but it's looking all right, you know what I mean? It's doing what it needs to do, so. We're gonna go ahead and do this side. You see what I'm talking about? What this person want? Okay, let's see. I feel like my hair is the way I want it to be, or it's like, it's okay for me for right now. You know, it's not that, I'm not gonna lie. This might be one of the best little installs I've done for myself. I'm not gonna lie, like it's not amazing, but you know, it's cute. Like, I like it. Like, I like it, like it's cute. And I like the fact that it's HD lace. I don't think I'll ever like go back to not HD lace. But I'd always like remix it because I didn't have something, but this is cute. Not my camera about to die. No, it's not. I don't believe that. No, it's not. No, it's not. Overall, I really like it. I'm just confused as to why it sheds so much. You know what I mean? Like, ugh, that's annoying. But maybe it's because I did stuff to it. But, I'm not gonna, it's a little cute. And it's HD lace. Like, I'm not mad at it. I think I want to start doing HD lace, so. So, you know what's funny? I didn't even show y'all my outfit. I literally, like, left out the house last night. I'm gonna show you my fit, okay? Right, so this is the fit we have going on. It's literally like basic ass ripped jeans. I'm pretty sure these jeans are from, is this H&M? Is this Fashion Nova? I feel like, honestly, I feel like I didn't even buy this. I feel like I took this off somebody. And these shoes, I got these shoes from Route 21. And then this jacket, this is a fucking cute jacket. I got this jacket from Zara. And then, you know, my little basic black bag, but baby, we got a new bag coming in, so. Fragrance, let me show you the fragrance, hold on. And the fragrance I have on, what I had on yesterday was Ebony Woods, because the girls needed it. Yeah, but that's what we got going on. So if you want to check out this hair, by the way, I'm not gonna lie to you, I sucked in it and it still looks cute. Like, come on now. Don't play me. But yeah, so if you are interested in this hair, please use my discount code down below, Adaora, for money off. I'm gonna have all the links in the description box. Yeah, and thank you so much, Yolova, for sponsoring this video. I hope y'all liked it. I'm about to go, but I'll see y'all later. Bye.